Bonjour mes amis, c'est moi Stephanie and welcome to your Workout Wednesday here at Sayezz Pilates and Beyond, where I help you move more deeply and more joyfully into your body as your home, heart open, moving energy. One of the best things about having a one-on-one client practice, as I do, is that I learn so much every time. Every time, even with the same clients, or especially with the same clients. So this is sort of a Julie special, this flow that we're gonna do today. So grab a roller, and it's just a fun way of getting in, sort of Pilates style way of getting into your deep core, into your muscular sense. So, which sometimes is really just important and feels so good. So we're gonna get moving. Go ahead and lay on your roller. Take a moment just to let the shoulders release around. Give yourself a little rock or shimmy wiggle. Thanking your body for showing up for you and for you for being here. Thank you, most badass beings, for being here. Thank you, subscribers. Thank you, new subscribers. Everyone hit that bell. Fresh videos like this drop every Wednesday. Every other Monday, I bring you a quick tip. And my new app-based home, The Incoming, is just waiting for you. Our Nexus is our free-for-all space, and we would love to have you amplify it. So check out the description. Can't wait to see you soon. And then go ahead and just land wherever center feels. Ground your feet. They can be as wide or as narrow as you would like. And then go ahead and just bend your elbows. And then you're going to reach up and pull down. Opening the palms, spiraling, pulling, actually like we're pulling cables. And then as we do this, we're gonna add a curl up every other time. Exhale, just the arms. Exhale, curl, just the arms. Exhale, curl, just the arms. For now, let your focus be where your fingers are. So up, even as you curl. Continue. Now let your focus on the curl move into your center. Maybe between the legs, maybe where your belly button is, under your clothes, or where it is. Two more. 2 more sets through. Hug a tree. So we really are in that Pilates land. Just turn the palms, soften the elbows, open wide. You can keep the palms like you're palming a big yoga ball. You're hugging one of those big Swiss balls. And then same coordination here every other time. Curl. Allow the eyeballs to look up between the fingers. To begin. And now allow the eyeballs to look down into your center. Really embrace the space. One more time through. Lengthen the arms. Just a nice big scissor. Open the palms. Spread the fingers. Feels like a cat's cradle, like a big cat's cradle game to me. So imagine that you have those bands around your fingers and you're stretching them. Just allowing the head, the neck to release. Eyeballs can be focused upwards. 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Interlace the fingers like you have an axe here. We're gonna chop some wood. Arch back, allow the ribs to come off, the pelvis to reach down toward the tailbone, and then just swing the axe and allow your body to float up. However high you can suspend. Four more. And this time we're going to make it a little smaller, and we're going to chop around and around and allow your body to move left and right, rolling on the roller. 8, 7, 1, and done. Take a moment just to be there. Allow the arms to release, shimmy, wiggle, roll on the roller. And then just one more variation here. I hope you have a soft roller. Soft rollers are much more supportive. And I was noticing it makes this nice little sound score, especially as I was going up and down. So it's kind of bloop, bloop. So maybe you noticed those things as well. So from here, go ahead and just get a march going in the legs. And actually just put these gecko fingers down. So just the fingertips, lengthening the elbows, gently pressing down through the fingertips, and notice how that connects into your armpits, into your back a little bit, or maybe a lot. And then fling the leg up and up and up. And then add an opposite arm. Shoop. Shoop, shoop, and woo, you can feel free to float the arm as well. See what happens. 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, and done. Excellent. Ooh, take a moment just to transition up off the roller. We're going to put it under our feet. I'm going to do it this way for you. And take that moment also. Oh, that was cold. Sensing and feeling it's June and it's chilly here a la campagna. So go ahead and just make sure you are comfortable on your space. And make sure you have enough space to roll out as well. So what we're going to do is a double bridge. Palms up. We roll and then pop, and then roll in, bending the knees, and pop the pelvis. Down, out, up, in. Here it's a bit more of what I would call a traditional Sayezz bridge. Really articulating through the spine. Here it's really like a big gust of wind, whoosh, pops up your pelvis. Roll. And we can take that double breath. Inhale to lengthen, exhale to pop. Inhale to bend, exhale to pop. Exhale to roll. Enjoying the sense of the roller under your feet, like it's a log and you're a little bird with your talons over. do 2 more there. 2 more full cycles through. And then pause at the top of your high bridge here. From here, feel where the roller is and little pushes, pulse away. Push, 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 push. Feeling how that connects into your glutes, your hammies, your back. Take a moment, pause. I'm going to walk my roller in and then pump the heels in. Easy breath. And again, maybe roll the roller in, let that go. Kick one leg up, send it down. Kick it up and down and up and up. Take the opposite arm. Shoop, 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 shoop. 8 more. One and almost done. Go ahead and open the knees. My roller twisted a little bit. Open the knees wide. Open the feet wide so we're in this B. Wiggle up onto the shoulders a bit more. Take a big breath in, expanding your body. Ooh, and then exhale. Let that go. Roll it down. Excellent. Take a moment to let the knees just rest over the roller. Take your hands to your pelvis. Give a little shimmy wiggle there to integrate, to release, to feel your breath move through your body. And excellent. And just rock yourself up. Thank you, roller. Your support is no longer needed, and thank you for your support. And we're just going to finish with a bit of a side plank. Sides of our body are very important. So we're going to stretch. Thank you, darling. Flex the foot. Stretch the bottom leg long, and then take this leg over. Fingers can be here, wherever you need. You might want to start here and see how it feels. And we're just in this bent arm position. Really flex the foot because we're going to press. It's almost like we're standing on the pinky side of our foot, yeah? So go for it. Pick yourself up and down. We're standing in this foot, standing in this foot, standing in this arm. Up and down. Feels kind of nice to push. Up and down. Push down to ascend. Push down to ascend. And if you're doing this hand position, it's like we're sending the knee away, nice and long. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Once more, we stay up there and we just pulse. 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 4, 3, 2, 1. Reach. Maybe even send yourself into a little bit of a lift through the chest, a little bit of an arch. And down. Woo! Swing your way around directly to the opposite side. Bottom leg long. Flex that foot. Stand in the pinky side of the foot. Stand in this foot. Stand in this arm. Maybe stand in these fingers to start and go for it. When you're ready, yeah, take your hand here. It's a nice support as well. This time stay up there and pulse. And 4, and 3, and 2. On this last one, you can take that little extra moment of reach. Feel the pinky toe on the ground. And then take a seat. Take a seat, take a moment just to feel what you feel. Adjust the clothes, adjust anything that needs to be adjusted. I'm actually gonna take my hairs out because that feels better to finish. Take a moment to let go of your breath, let go of any sense of exercise movement that you just did, and just let it be. It happened, it's in your body, you did it. Huzzah. So give yourself a hand, rub those hands together, left hand over heart, right hand over belly. Big breath in, expanding the belly, lower ribs, upper chest to thank your body home. Deep sigh of satisfaction when you're ready. And so much gratitude for you. Thank you for allowing me to be a guide through movement. I love showing up. Thank you for showing up. I will see you next time.